during natural calamities.
Yes. I'm also fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's the time? It 10 or 15 past 8.
Sorry?
What's the time at your place? 15 past 8.
Yeah, it's 8:15.
Okay, okay. So what have you done since morning?
It's 8:15.
Let me switch to my mobile.
Nothing special as usual.
Yes, it's better now.
Yes.
So tell me, what have you done since morning?
Nothing as usual.
Yeah. So tell me, what have you done from morning till now? Hello.
Is there someone?
Your voice is not clear.
I haven't done anything like the same as study.
And
Hello. I'm not
yes,
audible.
I'm listening. I can make out few things.
Hello. Now I'm
Yeah,
audible.
yeah,
Now?
you are audible.
Yes.
Okay. So what do we do or discuss about? What is this?
So, what? This is the wire.
This is the wire going from where to where?
Going from phone to my ear. Phone from my ear. From phone to my ear. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah. So,
Why your video is still no movement in the video?
I don't know. Now?
Now nothing. Yes, now I can see you. Much better now.
Mm,
You're looking very nice. Again, still. Yes.
yeah. Now I think it's okay.
Now it is okay. So during this session, shall you do some translation? Okay.
Yes. Sure.
I'll say some words in Hindi. You translate it in English.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
चांद फिर निकला.
So moon arises.
चांद फिर निकला. The moon
Moon
again came out.
arises. Okay. Moon again came out.
Yeah. मगर तुम नहीं आए.
But you didn't come.
जला फिर मेरा दिल.
Could you repeat that again?
जला फिर मेरा दिल.
Okay. My heart fired. No, I think no, it's not a correct sentence.
जला फिर
My
मेरा
heart
दिल.
is bursting. My heart is
Yes,
hurting
my
again.
heart again hurting. करूं क्या मैं हाय.
What should I do? What
Hi.
I can do?
What can I do? Hi.
What I can do? Hi, yeah.
Yeah. So now form the entire sentence. The two lines. चांद फिर निकला मगर तुम ना आए.
Moon has
जला फिर
came.
मेरा दिल.
Moon
करूं क्या मैं हाय.
moon has moon come again, but you didn't come.
Moon has
My
come
heart.
out. Come out
Moon has
again.
moon
Moon
has
has
come out
come
again.
out again. Yeah.
Moon has come out again, but
Yeah.
you didn't come.
Yeah.
But you didn't come. My
Yeah.
heart is hurting again.
What should
What
I do?
what should I no? What I can do? Hi.
Very good.
Yeah. So I'm just trying.
Yeah, you did well in the second attempt. So what else is
So
happening
we can.
in your country? Tomorrow is
It's
the
your
final
country
match.
also. It's your
Here it is.
country too.
Yeah, here it is wonderful. The weather is good. Not too hot, not too cold. And
Yeah.
scene from my daughter's house is very good. One side. I'll send you the photo.
Okay. So you are in Singapore now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do you? Oh, it's night time.
Yeah,
You are living in apartment.
yeah. This is on the 10th floor.
10th floor. Yeah. If there is earthquake, then what you can do?
Run down the staircase. We have
Yes.
had this session, so we know how to go about during natural calamities.
Yes. Yeah. So can we can try more sentences. Translate more sentences.
Okay. जाने क्या ढूंढती रहती हैं ये आंखें मुझ में. जाने क्या ढूंढती रहती हैं ये आंखें मुझ में. Translate this.
Okay. I don't know your eyes. Sorry. I don't know
What
your
these eyes
eyes find.
are searching in me.
Yeah. Find or search.
Yeah, I don't know what these
Searching in
eyes
me.
are searching in me. राख
Searching
के
in me.
राख के ढेर पे शोला है ना चिंगारी है. राख के ढेर पे, on the pile
I
of
don't.
ashes. On the pile of ashes.
It's a very hard Hindi.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to become the expert now. That's why you have to do the hard lesson. राख के ढेर पे शोला है ना चिंगारी है. On the pile of ash, it is neither an ember nor a spark. I don't know what these eyes are searching in me. I don't know what these eyes are searching in me. On a pile of ashes is neither an ember nor a spark. Ember is a shola, a burning
Okay, amber
coal,
means sola.
burning piece of coal, and chingari is a spark. And
Right.
what's the next few lines? अन्य क्या ढूंढती रहती है
आग है न सोला।
आग के ढेर पे शोला है न चिंगारी है। अब न वो प्यार न उस प्यार की यादें बाकी।
Yeah, I think it's a शायरी.
आग यूं दिल में लगी, कुछ न रहा कुछ न बचा। जिसकी तस्वीर आंखों में लिए फिरती हो, मैं वो दिलदार नहीं, उसकी हूँ खामोश चिता।
Oh my God, very sad.
Oh my God.
It's very sad.
So can you translate all this?
No, I can't translate.
Khamosh chita. Okay, translate these two words. Khamosh is silent. Chita. Chita is pyre, funeral pyre. Chita.
Fire.
Yeah, chita Hindi word is chita. Pyre. Pyre.
Pyre. Fire.
Yeah. मैं वो दिलदार नहीं, उसकी हूँ खामोश चिता. I am not that dildar. What is the meaning of, what's the translation of dildar?
Loved ones.
I'm not that. Yeah, love struck. I'm not that love struck, but the silent fire of that love struck person. Okay, that's a disjointed translation. Okay.
Very difficult words.
Yeah. It is well past 2 minutes more than the session, but we can continue as long as they don't shut this screen.
Okay. Yeah, it's 1 minute left. Then it will off.
What thing?
I'm saying there is 1 minute left only.
Yeah. Today I had 10 sessions.
Only 10.
Only 10. Because I'm not given too much of time. But they keep on booking my. I have to keep on cancelling.
So you have to.
I have given my working hours, but they're booking more than those hours. So I had to cancel 2 sessions.
You have
today.
to close your session. You have to close your session, then you will be able to sort out this problem. You have to talk to team, then they will sort out your problem.
Yes, yesterday I had messaged them. Okay, Priyanka, nice meeting you, seeing you after some hours, and you're looking good, like
Thank you.
always.
Yeah, thank
See
you,
you
sir.
then. Bye-bye.